Minister K.T. Jaleel interrogated confidentially by Enforcement Directorate. Hello and welcome to the newstoday.tv. Enforcement Directorate interrogated Minister K.T. Jaleel in connection with the Thiruvananthapuram gold smuggling case. The interrogation took place on Friday morning at the Enforcement Directorate office, Kochi. The minister reached the ED's office in a private vehicle instead of his official one. The interrogation lasted for about 2.5 hours. He was released in the afternoon after being questioned by P. Radhakrishnan, Kochi Regional Office Assistant Director. It is reported that the minister was questioned regarding the import of religious texts through the diplomatic channels from UAE and its distribution. He was reportedly asked about his connection with Swapna Suresh, one of the accused in the Thiruvananthapuram gold smuggling case. The details regarding the import of religious texts from UAE through diplomatic channels came out as a part of the investigation in the gold smuggling case. The incident became a controversy after it was revealed that religious texts cannot be imported to India or distributed without the approval of the central government. There are also suspicions regarding whether it was really religious texts that were imported through the diplomatic cargo. The approval of the External Affairs Ministry has to be sought for other countries to distribute religious texts in India. Also, the government of Kerala has to be officially informed about the same as well. The protocol officer had clarified that the UAE consulate was not given approval for any of the diplomatic baggage in the past 2 years. Meanwhile, Swapna Suresh had told the investigation agencies that she took commissions for these transactions. Minister Jaleel had stated that every year the religious texts are distributed by UAE embassies and consulates in various countries around the world during the Ramzan season. He also said that he was willing to hand over the text back to the consulate if the central government disapproves it. In his statement to ED, Jaleel claimed he had no idea about the materials in the UAE diplomatic baggage and religious texts were only sent to him from UAE. He also asserted that he only had an official relationship with Swapna Suresh, the accused in the gold smuggling case. The ED officials were not satisfied with his statement on religious texts. There are discrepancies between the statements of the minister and details collected by ED. Jaleel told ED that he was not aware that contacting UAE consulate and handling diplomatic baggage is a matter of protocol violation. Though the minister claimed that his relationship with Swapna was on official grounds, ED assumed that there is a strong bond between the minister and the accused. The Enforcement Directorate is likely to interrogate Minister K.T. Jaleel again in connection with the gold smuggling case. It is learned that ED is not completely satisfied with his statements recorded on Friday. Hence, ED will summon him again if necessary to clarify his statements. For more news and content, follow and subscribe to the newstoday.tv.